Everything starts with courage. However, cars were invented in France and Germany in the 17th century. Henry Ford, uh, American, he wants to improve and emerge as the big three during the 1920s. Nonetheless, Japan also wants a piece of the cake and became an important leader about cars during the 1980s with important brands like Toyota, Suzuki, Honda, and Mitsubishi.
In Mexico, usually each family have one car or more per family. Also, Mexico City is considered as the state who has the biggest CO2 level. That's why cars are an important transport, and nowadays there are some environmental solutions like electric cars. As an example is Elon Musk, the creator of Tesla, and also Audi has this alternative. Now we're going to mention the 6 key concepts, that is acceleration, time, velocity, speed, displacement, and friction. The first one is acceleration. The second one is time. The third one is velocity. The next one is speed. Now we have displacement. And last but not least, friction.
The first rule of driving a car is sit properly behind the wheel and never take out your hands from the wheel. Second rule of driving is to put on your belt. And if you go with someone else, make sure that that person also put on the belt. The third rule of driving, if you are driving, don't consume alcohol or drugs. The fourth rule of driving is to respect the traffic rules. The fifth rule, well, the last but not the least of rules of driving, is to don't exceed the speed limits. Okay, so an example of physics in cars are car crashes. And the theme of physics we're talking about with exactitude are the first and third law of Newton. So let's consider a situation where a car collides against a wall and the car is traveling at a velocity of 200 kilometers per hour, and it ends colliding with the wall, ending with a velocity of 0 kilometers per hour. So in this case, the first law is saying that the car is at rest and the wall is the unbalanced force acting against the car. In the same case, also the third law of Newton is saying, since the car exerts force in the direction of the wall, but the wall, which is static and unbreakable, exerts an equal force back on the car, and that produces the car crashes.
Hi everyone, we are
Santiago
and Andrea,
and we are going to talk about
our car crashing experience.
yes.
Okay, I think it was in August 23
No.
in this year, or 24.
Uh-huh.
I don't
24.
really remember, but one of those days.
We were together.
Yeah. We were going to Angelopolis, and there's
Yes.
in front of Pizza Hut, there's like a cross.
A traffic light.
Yeah, with
So
a cross.
we stopped.
So, I remember we had the green light, so we were going fast. But a trailer called Larry,
No, Harry.
Harry.
It was a big blue trailer.
Yeah, so it happened too fast. I don't really remember the name, but it happened too fast. It was huge. It was so big.
So
And
the trailer didn't
didn't see
didn't see
the traffic lights, and he was in
because
red because he crossed, and I was
Left.
going like so fast.
and
He was
we
going to the
straight.
left, and we crashed, but I stopped.
Uh-huh.
We
Yeah.
we didn't go like that far from the trailer, but because I stopped, and because I stopped, the airbags went out,
Yes.
and we were like, oh.
The glass of the car, así,
Yeah.
to Andy's face.
This is one glass. We say if there are pimples.
But
They're
no.
not pimples, okay? Everyone who's seeing this, they are not pimples. Not even dare to tell me that.
Scars.
Yeah, they are scars. This is a scar. This is a scar. This is a scar. And this is
Terrible.
a scar. It was awful.
Yes.
I mean,
We
I
are-
remember it like as if
we
it
went
was
to the
yesterday.
hospital.
We went to the hospital because we were
like 2 days.
dying. Drying. We were dying. I mean, I was.
Ese día nunca
up.
se me va a olvidar.
I would never forget that. No,
I would never.
No, forgive, perdonar.
I will
never
forget.
forget that day.
That day.
Thank you.
Okay, Diego, can you tell us about your experience
Yes. What type of experience?
about car crashes?
Okay. I only have one. I was in Sonata with my friends, with you, and then I went with Hugo to her home, and we were in the carretera of Lomas, and I was with Itzel and another friend, and then I only closed my eyes, and then I boom.